Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. So, we have a big update for Verizon. So, Verizon has just been awarded $15 million through a contract with the Navy MWR, which is short for Navy Morale, Welfare, and Recreation Program. And this is going to be through the federal government's Enterprise Infrastructure Solutions, also known as EIS, contract vehicle. So Verizon's public sector, which is an incumbent Navy service provider, will deliver voice and data services at domestic and international locations. So they're saying that the Navy issued the EIS award to Verizon in two components. One was voice and the other was data. One voice, Verizon will incorporate new technologies and services that are going to help meet the Navy's next generation voice requirements. Next, Verizon will also modernize data services, which includes a transition from the Navy's time division multiplexing, also known as TDM, voice platform to Ethernet. All right, now we do have some statements here made by Maggie Halbach. She is the Senior Vice President of Public Sector at Verizon. So Maggie says the MWR contract award represents the latest example of Verizon's dedication to the digital transformation of federal agencies, as well as the broader public sector, as evidenced by the work we've done with the Department of Defense and a number of other agencies over the last few years. Maggie goes on to say that our deep public sector knowledge and experience, coupled with our industry leading managed and professional services capabilities, separates Verizon as the premier public sector partner. So now this award comes 2 years after they got a contract for 78 million with the Naval District Washington, which named Verizon Public Sector NDW's technology partner. Under those terms of that contract, Verizon Public Sector updated NDW's time division multiplexing voice platform to host Internet Protocol voice services at the agency's Indian Head facility in Maryland. Also, last year, Verizon was awarded apparently almost 1 billion from the public sector in new business. Under the sweeping agreement, they're saying Verizon Public Sector is providing network modernization services and technical services to the Pentagon, the Dodd National Capital Region, which is the NCR, and Fort Belvoir. So this is outstanding news for Verizon to continuously achieve these awards, these large contracts, working with such powerful agencies such as the Navy, the Pentagon. The fact that we have some of the highest levels of technologies depending on Verizon's network says a lot about the strength of it. I believe that they feel that Verizon is a company they can work with and trust, which means they feel it's secure. They feel that the network is strong enough to handle all of their equipment and technologies being connected to it. This is definitely a win for Verizon. And these contracts just represent what a serious company they can be and just how strong the network really is. I know many of you will appreciate that and will agree that Verizon seems to be reliable when it's needed. And it looks like many, many of our federal agencies feel the same. So that's why I think this is a very important article to bring to your attention, to show you that when Verizon can handle such large businesses like this is why they're one of the largest wireless carriers. These awards are for big money. These contracts are very large, and there's a lot of technologies, important technologies, that are riding on this. So the fact that Verizon is able to deliver and continuously be recognized and awarded with more contracts shows you that they're doing something right. So there we have it, guys. As always, thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.